Welcome back. In this video, we would want to introduce you to the first challenge that we would be solving as a part of this course. The first problem that would be solving is a multiplication table. So we would want to print the multiplication table for 5. So this is the format that we would want to print the output in. So we would want to print 5 into 1 is equal to 5 and so on up to 5 into 10 is equal to 50. So this is the challenge, and what are the important concepts that we would need to solve this? Here are some of the important concepts that we would be using to solve this specific problem. We would learn about what is a statement, expression, we would learn about variables, and we would also learn about if statement, for loop, methods or functions. So those are all the concepts that you would learn while we are attempting to solve the multiplication table problem. All these concepts would be introduced to you one by one as we go step by step solving the challenge. I'll see you in the next step.